And now once we have come out, we're seeing there is a storm which has come. So it's a dust storm. So we have taken refuge under a shelter here.
কাশ্মীর ঘুরে এবার পাড়ি দিলাম অমৃতসরের উদ্দেশ্যে। ফ্লাইটে সময় লাগে 40 মিনিট। এরোপ্লেন আকাশে উঠতেই দেখতে পেলাম পীর পাঞ্জাল রেঞ্জের কিছু দুর্ধর্ষ ভিউজ। মনে মনে ভাবলাম এবারে মতো পাহাড়ের ভ্রমণ এই পর্যন্তই থাক। অমৃতসরে প্লেন নামলো তার কিছুক্ষণ পরেই।
So right now we are at Amritsar airport. Just landed 10 minutes back. We'll check out and try to get a cab and proceed towards our hotel. So we have taken a prepaid car from outside the Amritsar airport. It's really hot. Has to be around 40 centigrade. It's very dry. You can't feel any bit of humidity here. But the airport is very nicely organized. It's not a very big airport, but it has all the basic infrastructure, and there's not much crowd here at the airport right now. So we will get into the car and start our journey towards our hotel. Good morning, welcome to Simply Roaming. Today is day 7 of our trip. We are at Amritsar. We are staying at this hotel called the Landmark Hotel. This hotel is very close to the Golden Temple, which is less than a kilometer away from here. I'll show you more about this hotel and how the rooms are later in my videos. Now the temperature in Amritsar is already 34 degrees centigrade. It's 10:30 in the morning. We are not feeling that hot obviously in our rooms, but outside it's very dry and there's a lot of heat. But the good thing is the temple is not very far from here. It's one of the prominent hotels which is very close to the temple. So in a while we will start and go to the temple. We didn't have like a proper breakfast here yet. Probably we'll have something there around the in and around the temple. So let's go and see how the Golden Temple looks from up close. We have heard a lot about this temple and seen in videos and photos. So we are now starting towards the Golden Temple. We'll have to catch I think a small cab here or an auto.
যদিও আমাদের হোটেল থেকে স্বর্ণ মন্দির ছিল খুবই কাছে, কিন্তু এত গরম তার জন্য নিয়েছিলাম একটা অটো। একটা মজার ব্যাপার, এখানকার অটো অনেকটা দেখতে আমাদের কলকাতার টোটোর মতন। একটু ঘুরপথ হলেও খানিকক্ষণ আরামের মধ্যেই পৌঁছে গেলাম স্বর্ণ মন্দিরের সামনে। গাড়ি আপনাকে নামিয়ে দেবে প্রায় 500 মিটার আগে, বাকিটা যেতে হবে হেঁটে। দুধারে প্রচুর দোকানপাট, না আছে হেন জিনিস যা এখানে পাওয়া যায় না।
So we have deposited our shoes at the counter, and as you can see I have tied a handkerchief over my head. So as the ritual here goes, you need to cover your head. So you are slowly proceeding towards the main temple now. This is just a walkway around the temple complex. This is the hand wash area.
প্রচণ্ড গরম থাকার ফলে মন্দিরের প্রাঙ্গণে ঢুকেও কিন্তু প্রধান গর্ভগৃহে আর যেয়ে ওঠা হয়নি। দাঁড়াতে হতো বেশ অনেকটা বড় এক লাইনে। ঠিক করলাম আবার ফেরত আসবো বিকেলে। হোটেল ফেরত যাওয়ার পথে ট্রাই করলাম ফেমাস অমৃতসরি লাস্সি। খেয়ে প্রাণটা যেন জুড়িয়ে গেল।
So we have come to this restaurant called Golden Grain. It's very close to the main temple. We'll have a lunch now. In fact, it's more of a brunch because we didn't have proper breakfast and so we're a little hungry. So we'll have our brunch here and then head towards our hotel. We might also like go to Jallianwala Bagh. It's very close by from here. So we'll look at that place and then proceed towards our hotel.
দুপুরে লাঞ্চ সেরে কিছুক্ষণ হোটেলে রেস্ট নিয়ে তারপর গেছিলাম জালিয়ানওয়ালা বাগে। ওখানে প্রায় আধা ঘন্টা সময় কাটিয়েছিলাম। আপনাদের সবারই জানা আছে জালিয়ানওয়ালা বাগের ভারতের ইতিহাসে একটি অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ স্থান। 13 এপ্রিল 1919 সালে জেনারেল ডায়ারের নির্দেশে শান্তিপূর্ণ বিক্ষোভকারীদের উপর গুলি চালানো হয়, যার ফলে অনেকেই নিহত ও আহত হন। শহীদদের উদ্দেশ্যে এখানে তৈরি করা হয়েছে একটি সুন্দর স্মৃতিসৌধ, যেখান থেকে গুলি চালানো হয়েছিল ও দেওয়ালে গুলির চিহ্ন সবই সেই দিনের ঘটনার সাক্ষ্য বহন করে। জালিয়ানওয়ালা বাগ ছিল আমাদের কাছে এক আবেগপূর্ণ অভিজ্ঞতা।
We are currently at the Jallianwala Bagh. As you all know the story behind Jallianwala Bagh and why this place is infamous for. So we are going towards the Golden Temple again. Morning it was very hot. There was a long queue to go inside, so we didn't stand in the queue. We have come back in the evening since we are staying very close to the temple. So it looks very nice in the evening with all the lights in the shops, and hopefully there will be a long queue. And the weather is also now, it has cooled down a lot because it's already evening. So hoping to get inside the temple and see from inside. We just came out after doing the darshan of inside the Golden Temple, the Guru Granth Sahib, which is kept inside the main sanctum. But it took us really long. There was a lot of crowd, surprisingly not very well managed. So almost after 3 hours we could do the darshan. And now once we have come out, we are seeing there is a storm which has come. So it's a dust storm. So we have taken refuge under a shelter here. Good morning, welcome to Simply Roaming. Today is day 8 of our trip. We are in Amritsar and we have come for having our breakfast in a nearby stall. This is aloo paratha with vegetable pickle. It's very tasty, though little thick. You can see the amount of oil which has gone into this paratha, making it like really yummy. It's quite heavy for one person to finish, but since it's very delicious, I think I'll finish this fully. We have come to this Durga temple. It's a very nice, not a very big, but like a decent size temple in the middle of the city. Just look at the number of fish that's here. So we are done seeing this temple. We'll now be going to the market once near the Golden Temple. You can see this tower in front. It's said that if you go climb at the top of the tower, you can see Lahore from the top of this tower. So we are on our way to the Wagah border, which is less than 10 kilometers from here.
जहाँ पीते हम चाय.
Stopped at a local dhaba to have some tea, but just look at the countryside of Punjab. You can see the fields, the yellow fields and the trees. This is this highway. This is the GT road. It's an eucalyptus tree.
पोटैटो खरीदती है किसान से 200 रुपये क्विंटल, 2 रुपये किलो हो गया.
So there are 3 flags which you can see at a distance. So that's the border, and beyond which it's Pakistan. Almost at the border of India and Pakistan. 3 flags, 2 are of India and 1 of is the Pakistani flag. There's a little congestion here while entering the main area.
किसी भी नस्ल का कोई भी सामान घुमा जाता है या किसी भी नस्ल को कोई भी सामान मिलता है.
This is a view that you get from our room in Amritsar. As I said earlier, this hotel is very close to the Golden Temple. It's not even 800 meters. You can see this road from the window. So this road straight goes to the Golden Temple if you walk 800 to 900 meters. Good morning. Today is 12th of May 2024, the last day of our trip. Yesterday I showed you Wagah border where we went to see the drill that the BSF and the Pakistani army, border army does together. So it was excellent to watch and see the show that they put up. Today we have a flight from Amritsar to Bangalore. Our flight is at 4 o'clock in the evening, and we should reach Bangalore in another 3 hours and should land by 7 p.m. It's slightly pleasant today in Amritsar. It has rained last night, so it's not that hot. It's been a fantastic trip right from the start. When we went to Srinagar, we have seen a variety in terms of nature, climate, people and culture. Hopefully the next trip that we plan, we haven't planned anything yet, would be more interesting and will bring us to see a lot newer things. Till then, stay with us. Hopefully we'll get you more new places to see through our channel. Till then, please do subscribe to the channel. If you like my videos, please share, comment and like my videos.